I'm Sion, I'm from Nambing, and today we're going to see the do's and don'ts of waist trainer. So after that, I'll show you the products I have here. Okay, so let's start with the basic do's. The first and foremost thing is, if you're wearing a waist trainer, you have to be consistent. You have to wear it every day, at least for 2 to 3 hours, to a minimum and a maximum of 8 to 10 hours. So you have to be very consistent. If you don't wear your waist trainer, you're not going to see any change. Another one is, if you have a waist trainer, you have to get it the right size. Like if this waist trainer is not the right size for you, maybe if it's smaller, then you're definitely not gonna wear it because it's going to be so tight that you can't even breathe. So you're just going to put it away. If the waist trainer is bigger, then you wear it. You might wear it, but you're not gonna see any effect because the waist trainer is it's not gonna be molding you. It's just going to be sitting like a normal t-shirt or something. So it's going to be a waste of time. So you have to get the right size. We have a size chart for you. Whenever you DM us, we're going to send you the right size, so you can look at that. And also, if you want to lose weight, like waist trainer, when you wear it, it's going to suppress your appetite. So when you wear the waist trainer and have a food, then you're not going to eat as much. You're going to eat less. So that means it's going to make you lose weight in the long future. So you have to wear it like while eating. And also, if you have a waist trainer and you want to get the effects really quick, then you have to watch what you're eating and also exercise. You'll get an amazing result if you combine all those three. Because if you don't eat, like if you always eat bad foods, if you're not watching what you eat, then you're not gonna see any change. It's not gonna work for you. So you have to mind what you're eating. And if you also add at least a 30-minute exercise, maybe a few times a week, then definitely you're going to see a change. And that will be an amazing one even. And also track your progress. Track your progress, because if you want to stay motivated and if you want to keep wearing your waist trainer, if you want to be consistent, then when you see how much you're changing, how much waist size you're losing, then you're going to be so happy, you're going to be motivated to wear your waist trainer all the time, okay? We're going back to the don'ts. So do not wear your waist trainer while sleeping, okay? Because if you wear your waist trainer while sleeping, the waist trainer is tight even during the day. So imagine at night, it's going to be so tight, you're not even going to get a good night's sleep. And sleep is really important to lose weight on anything, actually, not just to lose weight, but for your general health, sleep is important. So if you wear the waist trainer at night and maybe you can't breathe in the middle of the night, then these hooks, they're going to be a struggle to put out at night. So it's not worth it. So don't wear it at night, please. Also, do not do high intensity cardio workouts, please. If you have a high intensity cardio workouts, then imagine you're in the middle of running and your heart is beating and you can't breathe. So it's not gonna be okay. Like, you're not gonna be okay if you wear the waist trainer, especially the ones with the tight ones and steel ones. Then they're going to hold you so tight, you're not going to be able to breathe and do the high intensity workout. So it's not recommended to wear it during those times. And also, while doing abdominal workouts like bending, crunching, it's not recommended for you guys to wear it during those times either, because you'll be bending and maybe crunching even, so you're going to be damaging your waist trainer. So if you want your waist trainer to last for a long time, then it's not recommended to work out using those. We have another ones, the ones without steel bones for ab workouts, like the fitness belt. We'll show you in the future, okay? And also, don't wash your waist trainer in the washing machine, please, because if you want your waist trainer to last you a long time, then don't put it in the washing machine, especially in the dryer. Once you put it in the dryer, you're definitely going to damage either the hooks or the steel bones. So you can just wash it like with warm water and maybe a gentle soap, soak it in there and use a gentle brush. Then you can air dry it. Don't use a dryer to dry your waist trainer. You can dry it air, like you just put it out and you can air dry it, okay? Then it will last you a long time. And I'll show you guys, maybe I'll show you in the future how to wash a waist trainer. I'll arrange it here and maybe one of my videos will be like that, alright? I just want to help you to show you guys everything about the waist trainer. Okay, so that's basically the do's and the don'ts of the waist trainers. These are the basic ones. I'll tell you others like in the future, but these ones are the basic ones. So let's see the waist trainers we have right here. Today we have 3 waist trainers I'll be showing you. The first one is this one. Okay, can you see it here? Yeah. This is the 25 steel bone waist trainer, latex waist trainer. You can see the outside is smooth. This is latex. The outside is 100% natural latex. And the one on the inside, this is 96% cotton and 4% spandex. The inside is soft, it's a cotton lining, so the latex won't be like damaging your sensitive skin, alright? So this steel bone, we have 25 steel bones. The previous ones I've shown you has only like 9 steel bones, right? But this is 25 steel bones. Do you know what this steel bones will be used for? Steel bones are useful for your back. It supports your back and it makes you stretch. And if you have back pain also, this is for those. So imagine 25 of them. It's going to be really hardcore, but you're going to see results really quickly with this one. This is so good. Like it might be hard for some people. If you're not used to waist training, maybe this will be a hard start, but for those who have been wearing waist trainer for a long time and who's common with the classic traditional waist trainer, then this will be a good challenge for you guys too. So this one, you can see this one is the short torso one. We have a medium torso and a large torso. We provide those as well. This is a 9-inch one. We have 11.5 and 13-inch also. So, and we also have sizes. This one is extra small. That's why it's so small. And we provide sizes from 3 extra small to 6 extra large. So whichever you want, it's okay. We can provide it for you. You don't have to worry. And also, this usually comes in 2 colors. The black one, like this. And we also have the nude color. So usually it's the latex, the outside is the latex, so we can't have many designs on the latex. It's a smooth surface, so it's not convenient. So we provide the black and the nude one. And for logo printing, if you want to have your logos printed on the waist trainer, for this waist trainer, you can print it here. We use the heat transfer method. The heat transfer method is the most recommended method because it's not gonna wear off, it's not gonna come off the waist trainer, it's gonna stay for a long time. Even if you wash it, it's not gonna rub off. So basically that's the most recommended method we use. And also for those of you who want to try private like labels and tags, we also have those, like one price is for 1,000 pieces, so you can use it for your next order as well. And for those of you who are just starting, maybe we can even recommend you guys to use just a private tag, because that will be more cheaper and the MOQ will be like lower for you guys as well. So this waist trainer The benefit, let's see the benefit. Those waist trainer, it's going to make you lose your waist size. You're going to get down a dress size. It's going to mold your waist to the hourglass figure we all want. And also, it suppresses your appetite. As we said, the waist trainers are used to suppress your appetite. If you use this while eating, you're not gonna eat as much because it's going to be holding you tight. So you're not gonna eat as much. So that means you're going to lose more weight as well. And the inside has cotton lining. We saw it before. It has cotton lining, so it's not gonna be like harsh to your skin. If you wear it, it's not gonna be harsh. And also, the more steel bones we have, I told you first, the more steel bones we have, the more back support we're going to have, and the more effective the waist trainer is. This will be holding you so good, like it's going to be a really tight hug, so you can see a change like really fast, really quickly. The back support is so nice. Everything will be good for this waist trainer. Okay, so this is the 25 steel bones latex waist trainer. Let's go to the second one I brought you. This is the detachable belt waist trainer. This is with a belt. It doesn't have any, as you can see, there's no hooks or zippers. This is pure Velcro, and our Velcrons are really hard. Okay, so this is pure Velcro. This is one belt. The other one I'll be showing you is the two belt one. So these two waist trainers are Neoprene. Remember, if you don't know what Neoprene is, I told you the difference between the latex and the Neoprene in the previous video. You can check it out on our page. So the Neoprene is lighter. Okay, let me highlight some things for you. The Neoprene is lighter than the latex. It's made of two materials only. Then it's 80% Neoprene and 20% nylon. So it's very light, and the Neoprene makes you sweat a lot, more than the latex. The Neoprene, you can Google it even online. It's like a sauna vest, but just for your vest, imagine. It's going to make you sweat a lot. So if you wear Neoprene materials, you're going to sweat and you're going to see a change really soon. So for this, we have steel bones as well. Okay, sorry. See, we have steel bones here. You can see it here, right? Even for this, we have steel bones here. There's no hooks or zippers for this one, but the Velcros are really strong. So even when you start to lose weight and your waist size is shrinking, you can still use this one size, the first size you bought, for a long time. All this area is Velcro. See, all this area is Velcro. So even if you're losing weight, you can still make it like tighter, and you can use it for a very long time. Sorry. So even the second, like the double belt one, see, if you want, you can use this with, like, it's a detachable belt. It's a detachable belt, so you can use this without the belt if you want, with one belt, with two belts. So the double one is used as, it has three options: the one with no belt, the one with one belt, and the one with three belts. So if you buy this one, you can use it in 3 ways. So this whole thing, okay, sorry, this is, the front is really tough. So this whole length is 25 centimeter or 9.8 inch. So it's really long, you can see that. So this, since one size can be used for a long, or almost a long time, we have sizes that range from small to extra large. If you want extra small, then you buy the small one and you can make it more tighter. It's going to fit anyone. This is Velcro, so it's not zip or hook, so you can use it for a long time, even for any size as well, alright? So for this logo printing, we usually print the logos around here. The belt, this is the belt area. So we usually print the logos here. You can print it here. And for this one too, we usually print it on this area. I told you before, we use the heat transfer method to print the logos on the belt. And also this, I told you before, private tags and private labels. You can order those one price for 1,000 pieces. And if you just started a waist trainer market, then you can just use the private tags. It's more cheaper. So these two waist trainers, the single belt and the double weight waist trainers, Neoprene waist trainers, are usually used for the gyms. I told you before, Neoprene is used for sweating. You really sweat a lot when you wear a Neoprene made waist trainer. So these are usually used in the gym to make you sweat a lot. Once you wear this and you start working out, you can sweat a lot. And these are more recommended for gyms, because even for hard workouts, it's just a Velcro. It's not going to be too hard to unhook or anything. So you're wearing these two waist trainers, and if you think you hurt this a lot, like if you're not feeling good, you can just pull it off and breathe, okay? So these two are really recommended for people who work in the gym. So it's like a fitness belt. So double belts are mostly recommended for those people who have upper bellies and lower bellies. And if you want to cover both, then you can use the first belt to cover this one. Then if it's a lower belly, then you can use the second belt to cover your lower belly as well. So you're going to get the snatch look more. So these two are recommended. Belt in general is for people who want an extra tightness. Like if you want to get more tighter, I recommend you to use belts, okay? And also, Neoprenes are really cheap. They're light. They're not as heavy as latex. So if you don't like waist trainer because you think it's a bulky thing, like you're not gonna feel comfortable, the Neoprenes are for you, because they're really light and they're really cheap even. So, and they have a lot of benefits as well. So you can use these two waist trainers. And this, the 25 stiff bones one, even this one is for the most intense waist training people, okay? If you want a challenge, you can challenge yourself to wear this waist trainer for a long time, okay? All right, so this is it for today's live stream. If you have any questions or anything, you can send us a DM. We'll reply to you really quick. We'll get back to you. So thank you for watching.